Gardeners everywhere dream of lush, thriving plants, often adding compost to their soil. Yet, despite their efforts, the earth can remain dry, compacted, and lifeless. The missing ingredient? Earthworms, nature's master soil engineers. As they tunnel, worms aerate the soil, letting air and water reach plant roots. Their castings are a natural fertilizer, rich in nutrients and microbes. Without worms, soil loses structure and fertility. But why don't worms always appear, even with compost? Worms are selective, seeking specific conditions: moisture, food, and shelter. Surface compost dries out quickly, failing to provide the stable environment worms need. Worms need a clear sign that food and safety await deep in the soil. To attract them, we must create an environment that speaks their language. It's not just about adding compost, it's about how and where we offer it. Think like a worm. Offer moisture, food, and security below the surface. Only then will these vital creatures transform your soil from the inside out. The secret to attracting worms isn't expensive or complicated. It's brown, corrugated cardboard. When buried 4 to 6 inches deep, soaked in water, cardboard stays moist and protected. This underground layer becomes a beacon, inviting worms to a safe, food-rich haven. For an extra boost, soak the cardboard in water mixed with a little molasses. The sugars feed soil microbes, which in turn attract worms. Worms aren't eating the cardboard, they're feasting on the thriving microbial buffet. This method creates a concentrated, long-lasting food source right where worms feel secure. The result? Worms migrate in, drawn by the unmistakable signal of food and safety. It's a simple, powerful way to turn your garden bed into a worm magnet. The right invitation makes all the difference. Unlike surface compost, buried cardboard offers a protected, steady food source for worms. It breaks down slowly, supporting a permanent worm population. This method is especially effective in raised beds and containers, where worms can be scarce. To prepare, soak every piece of cardboard thoroughly. Dry cardboard repels moisture. Add molasses to the soaking water to jumpstart microbial activity. Lay the soaked cardboard in a trench or at the bottom of a new bed, then cover with 4 to 6 inches of soil. This layer insulates, keeps moisture in, and hides the cardboard from view. Worms sense the moisture and decomposition, migrating toward the banquet below. They find a dark, damp, and nutrient-rich environment. This isn't just a snack. It's a season-long feast that keeps worms working for you. With this simple step, you create a thriving underground community. Once worms arrive, the garden transforms. Soil becomes soft, dark, and crumbly, full of life. Worm tunnels aerate the ground, helping roots grow deep and strong. Their castings enrich the soil, providing perfect plant nutrition. Plants grow greener, healthier, and more resilient to drought. Yields increase and the garden flourishes. To keep worms happy, maintain a thick mulch layer, wood chips. To keep worms happy, maintain a thick mulch layer, straw. To keep worms happy, maintain a thick mulch layer, leaves. Mulch keeps soil moist and cool, protects tunnels, and adds organic matter. Avoid tilling and chemicals which harm worms and their ecosystem. Let worms do the work of mixing and enriching your soil. Protect your underground workforce, and your garden will thrive. Don't force worms by buying and dumping them into your garden. Imported worms often fail to adapt or simply leave if conditions aren't right. The cardboard method attracts native worms, perfectly suited to your soil and climate. By inviting them naturally, you build a resilient, self-sustaining population. Gardening is about partnership, not control. Healthy soil comes from understanding and supporting its inhabitants. Worms need moisture, darkness, and steady organic matter. Give them that, and they'll transform your garden. This method mimics nature's own process. Mulch above, food below. By sending the right signals, you invite worms to become your partners in creating a vibrant, living ecosystem. Work with nature, and your soil will reward you for years to come.